Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm in Blender 2. This is what I learned in this class. Number one, here we have color emission and lighting. So basically, I went into the materials. I edited materials so that it would have, first of all, change the color of this mug, for example. So like purple and like add lighting around it to manipulate the lighting so it looks like smoother. Then over here, so I just added the light and color emission to like white. So now this part over here just emits white light. So for the for textures here, this is like a coffee mug. Um, this smooth beard texture here is made by connecting the texture coordinates and like the mapping. So it has a Musgrave texture and just change the color here. And then that just puts the everything connected into the material. Over here, I used some modifiers to create this kind of like uh, plastic wrap around these two objects. And it's opaque, so yeah, it's see-through particle system. So particle system, it's a really fun thing to play with. Let's say it has a kind of funky physics engine, but yeah, so like so basically physics particle engine, it's like shoots out particles. There's these force fields you can use to like manipulate direction and how they're going. So this one's like a vortex, this one's like magnet. So then we have here, this is something I made. So basically the particles are formed by this red plate here, and this is what it uses. So it scales it down and then it shoots these out. Then I added some animation here, so it looks like it's an ocean flowing. So it drips down and over through it. And for this animation and armature, so basically this sword here, I made this cool animation here. Basically this had to model this first, of course, using like some lighting emission and like just coloring, different kind of lighting. So, and then I used an armature on the handle of the this claymore here. So I rotated it so and then animates. So this part, the rings, these rings, so basically just move them outwards and they go out and they come back. It's like trying to, be as realistic as possible. So the claymore goes a little bit back because of recoil. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you for listening to my presentation.